In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website with Elementor and Woocommerce. Whether you're a novice or looking to refine your web development skills, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials of setting up your site, so you can focus on creating and selling with ease. To start, head over to WordPress.com. It's your gateway to building a dynamic website, providing all the necessary tools and resources you need to get started. Once you're there, look for the Login button and click on it. Logging in will take you to the WordPress dashboard, a crucial control panel where you can manage everything for your site. Now that you're in the dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Plugins section. Plugins are integral to WordPress because they add new features and capabilities to your site without requiring any manual coding. Once you've clicked on Plugins, look for the option that says Add Plugin. Selecting this option allows you to search for and install plugins that will enhance your website's functionality. First up, we need to focus on Woocommerce. Woocommerce is the industry standard for adding e-commerce capabilities to WordPress. In the search bar, simply type Woocommerce. Once it appears, click on it and hit the Install button, followed by Activate. This process sets up Woocommerce on your website, equipping you with the tools you need to start selling products or services online. The next powerful plugin you'll want to add is Elementor. Elementor is a drag-and-drop page builder that makes designing your site a visual and intuitive process. Again, use the search function to find Elementor. Once located, click on it, then install and activate it just like you did with Woocommerce. Elementor will allow you to customize the design of your pages with hardly any effort, giving your website that professional look and feel. By now, you should have both Woocommerce and Elementor up and running. With Woocommerce, you'll be able to manage your products, set up payment gateways, and handle shipping options. Meanwhile, Elementor will provide you with a user-friendly interface to design each page exactly how you envision it, from fonts and colors to layout and widgets. And that's it. You've just equipped your WordPress site with two of its most powerful plugins, setting a solid foundation for a functional and beautiful online presence. Now, take a moment to explore what Woocommerce and Elementor have to offer. Customize your site to suit your brand and start reaching out to your audience. Soon, you'll not only have a fantastic-looking website, but also a platform ready to serve your business or personal needs. Stay creative and enjoy building your WordPress website.